In a beta decay of bismuth 210, that is bismuth 283 to polonium 284 plus an electron, the mass of parent nucleus is 209.9841 units. If the total energy of the beta particle, just a sec, I'll write it clearly here. If the total energy of the beta particle is 1.17 mega electron volts, what is the mass of the daughter nucleus? Now in this case, students, just see, we have got over here what? We have got bismuth 210 and 83, right? Now it is giving you what? It is giving you polonium 210 and 84 plus, what is the thing? Plus a beta particle. Now the total energy of the beta particle is given, that is 1.17 mega electron volts. That is the energy released in this equation, right? Now what is the mass of the daughter nucleus? What is found? The total energy is given, total energy released is 1.17. Now what is our equation? A total energy is equal to delta M multiplied by 931 mega electron volts. Now what is delta M over here? Delta M is equal to total mass of reactants minus the total mass of products. Now, the mass of reactants, what it is? The mass of the parent nuclei is given. So, it would be energy, that is 1.17 mega electron volts, is equal to 209.9841 plus, sorry, it should be minus what is the thing? Polonium mass you want to find out, that is a daughter nuclei, right? Plus the mass of electron, that is 0.00054 units, multiplied by 931. Now 1.17 divided by 931 is equal to 209.9841 minus what? If you'll do this, if you'll sum up the two, that is 209.9841 plus 0.00054, that is 209.9846 minus x. Now your x will be equal to, students, it should be 1.17 divided by 931, right? And what will be x equal to? X equal to 209.984, and this would be minus the recall memory, and it will be giving you, sorry, it will be giving you 209.982, right? So it should be 209.9827 units. Right? See, the mass difference is very, very less. It is 0.984 and this is 0.982. Right? So this is 209.98. So this would be the thing. I think I should have subtracted 209.9841 minus 0.00054 and it should be minus x, right? Or we can say it should be plus x. So this is the thing we wanted. Now x will come out to be 209.982 units. That is the mass of the daughter nuclei. Got the answer of this question? The total energy is given here, students. What you need to find out is the mass defect. That's it.